Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, River Edge, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers provides you with the best solution if you move out of state or across the country. We can pack and unpack your stuff, ensuring a smooth transition. So whether you're moving from one state to another, we got you covered. Long-distance moves are a little more tougher and take a lot more work. 3 Movers is a well-known and trusted moving company in River Ridge, and we offer local, long-distance, international moving services. We also have the best movers and are skilled, licensed, and reliable. Our team of movers will arrive with professionally packed moving boxes and supplies. Our movers offer a wide array of services to make your move as smooth as possible. From assembling your furniture and accessories, we've got everything planned beforehand. Local moves are about packing and unpacking your belongings, and our movers will go through every inch of your house to ensure that nothing is left behind. We also have the experience and ability to move all your belongings to their final destination safely. 3 Movers will also wrap your stuff with moving blankets and help unpack. We ensure that everything is packed correctly the first time around. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our River Edge moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.